So in this video we will discuss the time constant and bandwidth of the first order control system. So let there be open loop system. Let the open loop gain of a system is given by k upon st plus 1. So this is the open loop gain of a control system. So this is the first order system. This is a first order system because in the denominator the maximum power of S is 1. So it is a first order and type 0 system because there is no pole at the origin. So first order and type 0 system. First order and type 0 because there is no pole at the origin. So it is a type 0 system. And the maximum power of S is 1. So it is a first order system. So if we want to represent it by a block diagram, we can draw it like this. So this is negative. It is a unity negative feedback system because the feedback element is unity and the feedback is negative. So even if we don't draw it, there is no need. So output is C of S and input is R of S. So this is the first order control system, first order type 0 system, and it is a unity negative feedback system because the feedback is unity and the feedback is negative. This is negative. This sign is negative. So this sign is negative. So it is a unity negative feedback system. If we want to draw its S plane of open loop system, open loop gain is k upon st plus 1. So if we represent it in the S plane, then its S plane will be like this. On x axis we have real part neta and on y axis we have j omega. So value of S is minus 1 upon t. So it will be like this. S is equal to minus 1 upon t. This is the S plane diagram or the S plane representation of this open loop system. This is the open loop system, G of S. So the time constant is the reciprocal of negative real root. Negative real root is minus 1 upon t. So the time constant is reciprocal of negative real root. So time constant is represented by tau. So tau is equal to t. The time constant for this open loop system is equal to t. Presently we are discussing for the open loop system. Then we will move to the closed loop system. So the time constant of this open loop system is t. It is the reciprocal of the negative real root. So the negative real root was 1 upon t, so the time constant is t. Time constant is the reciprocal of negative real root. And bandwidth is 1 upon time constant. So bandwidth is 1 upon time constant. So bandwidth will be equal to 1 upon t. Let the bandwidth be represented by using capital B. So bandwidth of this open loop system is 1 upon t. And I am writing that 1 upon t is equal to b. So bandwidth is 1 upon t, so it is equal to b. So for open loop system, time constant is t and bandwidth is b. Now if we want to find the closed loop gain, G of S was the open loop gain. If we find the closed loop gain is C of S upon R of S, output upon input, is equal to G of S upon 1 plus G of S H of S. But here H of S is equal to 1 because it is a negative unity feedback system. Negative unity feedback system. So H of S is 1. So it will be G of S upon 1 plus G of S. So this will be equal to, if we take the LCM, then it will be equal to K upon ST plus 1 up plus K. So if we draw the S plane diagram for this closed loop system, If we want to draw the S-plane diagram for this closed loop system, then it is neta j omega. Drawing the S-plane diagram for closed loop system, so Ks will be equal to minus of 1 plus k upon t. S is equal to minus 1 plus k upon t. So time constant will be equal to the negative of the reciprocal of the negative real root. So the time constant will be equal to t upon 1 plus k. T upon 1 plus k, and bandwidth will be equal to, bandwidth is reciprocal of time constant, so bandwidth will be equal to 1 plus k upon t. 1 plus k upon t, and 1 upon t I have written it as beta, so bandwidth will be equal to beta b into 1 plus k. Bandwidth is, I have written it as b, so bandwidth for closed loop system is equal to b 1 plus k. So this is open loop system and this is closed loop system. For open loop system, time constant is equal to t, and for closed loop system, time constant is equal to t upon 1 plus k. So we can write it as the negative feedback system decreases the time constant, because time constant for open loop system was t and time constant for closed loop system is t upon 1 plus k. So the negative feedback decreases the time constant, but bandwidth here was b and bandwidth here is b 1 plus k. Bandwidth for open loop system g of s is 1b, but bandwidth for closed loop system g of s upon 1 plus g of s is b into 1 plus k. So the negative unity feedback system increases the bandwidth and the negative feedback system decreases the time constant. So the negative feedback system increases the bandwidth and negative feedback system decreases the time constant. So time constant for closed loop system is less than time constant for open loop system, and bandwidth for closed loop system is greater than bandwidth for open loop system. So remember this result, it is very important. So these are some of the basics for time constant and bandwidth of first order system. First order system cannot be over damped, critical damp or under damped, because there is no damping for first order system. For first order system there is no damping, because damping is defined only for second order system. For first order system damping does not exist, remember this point. Because there is only one element, it is only one order, so no damping. Damping not defined for first order system. Damping is not defined for first order system. Damping is defined only for second order system, in which there are two energy storing elements. So, and delay time of first order system is equal to 0.693 into tau. It is very important formula that delay time of the first order system is equal to 0.693 into tau, and rise time of first order system is equal to 2.2 into tau, where tau is the time constant. So delay time is 0.693 into tau and rise time is 2.2 into tau. And for the first order system, damping is not defined. So this was the for first order control system. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have, and please share your feedback on the video. So thank you and best of luck.